solo trip. I had been planning for a solo trip of mine since a very, very long time. But after a lot of thoughts, I came on board with this idea. And let me tell you guys, the experience has been immensely wonderful. And I've never experienced something like this ever before. So for me, it was beyond normal, beyond ordinary, and I absolutely enjoyed every bit of it.
The forest was dense and as well as it had so many open spaces, so many grasslands. It's a beautiful forest. It had sal trees all over, plus it had mixed deciduous trees. Then it had a lot of bamboo too. So, and the landscape was very different from the Tadoba which I've done recently. Tadoba was frankly flat, but this one had was undulating. It had mountains in the vicinity. Very different landscape and very beautiful forest, I would say.
I got the chance to see these Barasingers new ones in Kanha and the blackbuck. Apart from that, the spotted deer was common, the barking deer was common, the wild boars were common, so it was common sight of langurs and the birds, the drongos, crested bald eagle, like serpent eagle and some other species of birds. So apart from that, what's special, if you say it was so good to have the sighting of this Indian roller, it was bathing, sand bathing. So that was the very good sighting which I have experienced. It was so near, so close, up close. So it was merrily taking a bath. So that was good.
The stay at Mowgli Resort was, or rather is very good in terms of food, environment, ambience. It's very nice actually. I like staying here.
The staff is very nice and hospitable, and every time we asked for something, they immediately served us. So it was great.
Nice ambience, plus it's a very clean place.
See a small tiger, rather a cub, and that was just running from one place to another. But it was the golden hour of the day, and I just cannot express the feeling. It was really beautiful.
On day one, when we got here, actually, we were a little tired. But the excitement of going in for a safari to a buffer zone, it was pretty exciting. So we all signed up for that, and the highlight of that was that we came across something which was a very unusual sighting. We saw a mama sloth bear with two of her cubs on the back, and she was walking. And then she waited a little bit and turned around and looked at us. So that was really exciting.
The last day was extremely good, and we did not expect that we would see a tiger, but we ended up seeing one. So we are going back home all happy. Without any calls and everything, so it just came out of nowhere. It was right in front of us, and we just froze over there for some time, but it was worth it.
So the one more exclusive I say that was Shikra. It was complete with white plumage, and it was so swift. And it is a hawk, and I got to see that. It was flying so fast, and it was maneuvering in the air so quick that I tried so hard to capture on my lens. So that was good sighting.
The drivers were amazing. They really are very knowledgeable. I'm sure even the guides are knowledgeable, but here the drivers scored over the guides, I believe. I mean, I felt. And very helpful. And very helpful in even getting us, the right kind of photographs for the animals. Changing the position of the jeep, helping us to not just spot, but also to take good photographs.
We like your sincerity and your dedication and your enthusiasm and your motivation.
And your knowledge.
Until the last day.
Yeah, and I think what Shashank does is he is following his passion, yes, but his passion just shines through, in everything that he has done for us through this trip. I think that's been a real standout. So glad that we came with you.
Thank you once again.
Thank you once again.
That was an amazing safari, guys. If you would like to in fact join us on our safari tours and expeditions, please do connect with us on the platforms mentioned below. And if you'd like to know more on India's wildlife and our protected areas, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us. See you next time.